Hello, Scorpio. So this is your reading. Ayan. So this is for your sun, moon, and especially for your rising sign as a Scorpio. So kung bago kayo, please do subscribe, like, and share. So mahanap niyo po ako sa Facebook under Iroshan Miranda Advencola and in TikTok and especially in YouTube as Tarot Page Philippines. So gagamitin natin si Rider for the readings and si Oracle of the Celestial Deities. So, pag nahanap ka ng video na to, that means this is the time that this message is needed para sa'yo. So, let's check. Ano ba ang message ng universe for you? Okay? So, kuha tayo ng cards mo. Okay. So, ito yung mga cards mo, Scorpio. So, we have here is the 4 of Swords. So, 4 is about structure. This is about leadership. Habang si Swords naman about air, about the mind and the intellect. We have here is a 3 of Swords. So, 3 is a number of communication. So, also the number of expression. Swords is about, again, air siya, mind and intellect. And the 4 of Wands. So, we know what is 4. Pero yung Wands kasi symbol to ng fire. About passions, about energies. And your deity is the card of the moon. Number 2, emotion, instinct, and a wish to protect. Alam mo, Scorpio, patapos na yung, tawag ito, ito na yung moment na you need to stop doing things sa end mo lang. Medyo tigil-tigilan na natin yung masyado tayo nagpapa-affect sa past. Oo, totoo, may share ka ng mga times na nasaktan ka, na-betray ka, umasa ka, tapos walang nangyari. That's okay. Naiintindihan natin that you had your share. Pero kasi, kailangan mo mag-move on from it. You need to make sure na dalhin mo yung wisdom na meron doon. Dalhin mo kung ano yung kailangan mong maintindihan. Then move forward. Kung hindi mo pwedeng, hindi dapat na, nasaktan ako eh. So, ayoko magtiwala na. No. Huwag mo siya shut down. Huwag mo close down yung heart mo. There are people who would love to show you paano mahalin. Di ba yun naman karamihan sa inyong gusto? Para sa Moulin Rouge, to love and be loved in return. Pero paano? Kung ikaw mismo yung nagsasara ng sarili mo, andito yung yes, andun yung point, you want to protect your emotion. Pero I'm sorry to say but love, emotions, risk yan eh. Sugal yan. At hindi mo naman kailangan sumugal na matatalo ka. Tandaan mo, meron kang mga experiences. Those experiences, may dalang yung mga lessons. May dalang wisdom yon. Yun yung gamitin mo. Magkaroon ka ng tinatawag natin na calculated decisions. Ibig sabihin nun, bawat step mo, pabalikan mo yung wisdom noon sa nakaraan para maintindihan mo, okay, so dapat ganito. Ano ba yung mga, going back to your past, ano ba yung mga sinabi mo at ginawa mo para hindi maging magandang resulta? But dagdag pa nun, ano yung mga hindi mo sinabi at hindi mo ginawa para mapunta sa ganong sitwasyon? Ano yung mga ginawa, ano yung mga nangyari at yung mga dapat nangyari so that you can have a better life, a better future, and a proper decision making. Alam mo, huwag mong tawag dito, this is a moment na talagang bibitawan mo yung maraming bagay na paniniwalaan mo. This is the moment the universe will teach you paano mag-decide not just based doon sa nangyari with knowledge, but also allowing the universe to guide you by the hand. Yep, naintindihan ko na nakakatakot magtiwala ulit. Pero yun yung kailangan eh. That's the risk you're going to take. Magtiwala, mag-open ulit. Don't let your past, humayaan yung nakaraan mo ang magdikta kung ano magiging present mo at ano magiging future mo. Past is past. Get the lessons, use it to make a better now so that you can have the best tomorrow. I hope nakatulong yung reading sa'yo. Remember, the readings are for guidance purposes, so use your free will wisely. Okay, so again, you can find me in Facebook as Iroshan Miranda Advencola, and in TikTok, and especially in YouTube as Tarot Page Philippines. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. So, maraming salamat, Scorpio. God bless, Namaste, Hare Krishna, and Blessed be. And hope to see you soon enough. Mula po dito sa Baguio City. Again, this is Aero. You have a great day. Kita tayo next time.